Hello and welcome to a discussion on rational expressions. Alright, for this we're going to have stuff that looks like fractions. So a rational expression can be written in the form of P over Q. Okay, this means that P and Q are polynomials and that Q cannot be zero because that would make the rational expression undefined. And we'll discuss that more later on. Okay, some examples of rational expressions or things that you may see in this section could potentially look like something like 5 over 7, the fraction of x plus 2 over 4, maybe something like 4 or y minus 4 over y plus 4, and even something like the fraction of x plus 1 on top, with the denominator being x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay, to dive into some examples of this section, they might say to evaluate the following rational expression by defining the numerical value for each rational expression given the replacement values. So for examples like this, we're going to take what x equals, in this case is -2, and plug it in for every x that we see in the rational expression. So we're going to have -4x plus 1 over 2x plus 1, and we are going to replace every x that we see. So we're going to have -4, replace that x with -2, plus 1 over 2 times what x is going to be, which is -2 plus 1. Okay, to extend our page and keep working, -4 times -2 is a positive 8, because a negative times a negative is positive, and 4 times 2 is 8. We have plus 1 over positive times a negative is a negative, and 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1. So we have 8 plus 1 is 9, over -4 plus 1 is -3. So this will just reduce to a -3. Looking at our next example, we have the fraction 3x plus 2 over 6x plus 1. So we're going to take what x equals and plug it into every x found in the rational expression. So 3x plus 2 over 6x plus 1. Let's go to this next step and have 3 times what 1 is being replaced with, which is 1 in this case, plus 2 on top. On bottom we'll have 6 times what 1 is equal to, which is 1, plus 1. So going through and simplifying on top, we have 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2, divided by 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is on the bottom. So we're left with on top 3 plus 2 is 5, over 6 plus 1 is 7. So 5/7 is the answer for that rational expression.